This week's low carb recipes.
Hello! Okay, so today we've decided that it's Pete's turn to make some food, but I'm gonna help with the side dishes. We are gonna braai. If you're South African, you know what braai is, but basically it's like barbecue. We put some coals outside on our weaver, and when the coals are at the perfect heat, you put your steak or your chops or whatever you want on. Tonight we're making some beef steaks, and then you braai it. Okay, so first we're going to do some side dishes, and then I'll be taking you guys to go see what Pete is doing at the braai. Every South African woman knows how to braai, but it is Peter's honor and privilege to cook something at least once a week. So while we wait for the fire, I'm gonna make some side dishes. I'm making a quick Greek salad, and I'm gonna put some sweet potato in the microwave. Let's get started. So as you could see, we're making 4 pieces of steak because we're planning on eating some beef stroganoff tomorrow night, which I will also show you in this video. And then with our steaks, we're gonna eat some cheese sauce. I absolutely adore cheese. And this cheese sauce has about 3 grams of carb per 100 milliliter, which is quite good. And obviously the ingredients are quite important if you're strictly following the Banting or keto diet. We sort of overlook it a little bit and focus specifically on the carbs. So let's get started with the salads. I'm making us each our own salad so we can have what we like in our salads. Okay, so this is a very plain, simple salad. As you can see, Pete doesn't like tomato. This is just meant to be a side dish to fill us up while the steak will be the main event.
Okay, now to the sweet potatoes. So basically what we're gonna make is we're gonna make some sweet potatoes in the microwave, and then we're gonna add some butter and cinnamon to them to give them some good taste. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash them, but we're not gonna peel them. This is actually a trick my mother-in-law taught me. It's super easy and super delicious.
Now you're going to take your sweet potato and stick some holes in it. Now we're going to cover them with a paper towel and put them in the microwave for about 10 minutes. This will vary depending on the size and the amount of sweet potatoes that you put in the microwave. Good. Like that? Oh, my baby.
Perfect. And there you have it, a delicious beef steak with some cheese sauce, sweet potato with some butter and cinnamon, and a normal Greek salad. Cheers.
Hello. Hello.
Welcome back to our kitchen. So as you know, we made some steaks last night. So tonight is a leftover night and I'm just gonna make some nice beef stroganoff. Have a look.
Okay, so we're going to start off by putting some olive oil in the pan. Now that the oil's all heated, I'm going to add some finely chopped onions. As you can see, we used the same chopping board that we did for the steak, which is why it looks so horrible. I'm not crazy about onions, so I added just about a little bit more than a quarter of an onion. But obviously, if you're an onion lover, you can add a whole onion in here. I'm also going to add some garlic, about a tablespoonful. We're garlic people. Okay, now I'm going to add some mushroom. This is sort of the main event. I'm using portobellini mushroom. I'm just going to put the lid on and let the mushrooms sweat.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm adding a bit of cream. There's some cheese sauce left from last night's braai, so this is just an extra add on. It's not necessary, but if you have it, I mean, why not? And then I'm adding a lump of cream cheese. So now I'm adding a little bit of milk just to make the sauce a little bit thinner. You can use any milk that you would like. You could even use water. Maybe some coconut milk will be nice. Okay, I'm quickly adding some pepper. I'm used this with a pepper grinder. Some salt. A little bit of cayenne for a kick, and just a little bit of Worcester sauce spice that we used on the braai meat. Okay, and now we're going to add the steak. So all we want is for the steak to heat up a tiny bit. We don't want that beautiful pink color to go away. And that's it. Your stroganoff is ready. You can serve it with some veggies. You can serve it with some cauliflower mash. Or you can serve it with some vegetable spaghetti. I found this spinach and cauliflower noodles on special. We're not going to make it tonight, but it would have been a perfect addition.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.